to Macon City?
It's Target Tuesday.
What's today? Welcome back, Sensei.
Welcome back.
I have no idea.
Guys, it is Target Tuesday. The deal started on Sunday, 6/13, run through 6/19.
Unless you remember.
And if you do not tune into our Walmart videos, we are doing a giveaway.
Yep.
So you have to comment on the Walmart video.
Make sure you do
to
that.
enter the giveaway. Just share, like, all that good stuff.
Thursday, guys.
It'll be announced on Thursday. You have until Wednesday night to enter.
There you go.
Okay, guys, I think that's all that stuff. We did get a midweek moneymaker.
I already finished mine.
But we already finished ours. But
Yeah,
you
'cause I
may
had
just
$1
do
for 10
Target,
offers.
or you might not go to Walmart. So
yeah.
So there is a midweek moneymaker if you haven't finished. Today would be the last day. Wednesday is the last day for midweek moneymaker, guys. Anywho, we're about to go in here. We do have a couple deals.
All right.
So let's go grab them.
All right, let's do this.
it. Okay, guys, we are back. Well, we're back. This is the first deal. Yes. So these are the Yes to You, the avocado dry skin little face wipe things right here. They say that they're $3.29, guys, but they're ringing up for $2.59. So you might want to test this out at your store and just see how it works. This is a test out deal, so we'll let you know our results. You need to pick up 2 of them at $2.59, which is $5.18. And then when you buy 2, you get $2 off. But it's giving you $2 off of each. So they'll just be 59 cents each or $1.18 for both. It's a really great deal. We'll let you know our results when we snag them, because I'm getting this fragrance-free hydrated cream mask with the hyaluronic acid to keep your wrinkles tight.
Oh, okay.
Or fill your pores and it plumps your skin up. So
I'm about to point mine out.
picking these up. All right, y'all.
Okay, guys, we are looking for the banana boat sunscreen. We don't have it at our store, guys. This is in the travel size. It's $2.99. We have a $2 Target circle that's attached, and Cindy gonna pop it up for you. Makes it 99 cents.
Yeah.
That's a good deal for sunscreen, y'all.
Yes, guys. So hopefully your store has it. All right, y'all. Okay, guys, so the next deal is on this Garnier Fruit Teas. These are the Sleek and Shines. They're priced at $2.99 in our store. We have $2 coupons. These are regional coupons. The $2 value is regional, guys, making them just 99 cents. And that is in, I think it was Smart 6.
Yeah, this weekend.
Yeah, this weekend's insert. So, yeah, the Save 66. So
613.
613. Just kidding. So Save 613 makes it 99 cents, guys. Great deal.
Y'all need to see Cindy. She had a wild today, okay? All right, so we're going to pick up 2 of these rainbow light vitamins. It's going to depend on your store. Ours carries the prenatal at $14.99, but whatever ones they have at $14.99, pick up 2.
That qualifies, folks.
This,
so
at
look
least
at your
30 count or
rebates.
large, okay? This is a swag bucks and a checkout 51 offer. So 2 would be $29.98. You're going to get $16 back from swag bucks. Then you're going to check out 51. Checkout 51 is going to give you $5.75 on each one.
Yes,
okay?
2 times.
2 times. I didn't know what this equals. $2.48 or $1.24 each.
Which is fantastic. It's great for these vitamins. They ain't never on sale.
We done started back at a whole $14.99.
Boom, boom.
Fantastical deal, guys.
All right,
y'all pick it up.
Please do. Okay, guys, so the next deal is on the Colgate Optic White. It's priced at $4.99 in our store. There's a few varieties that'll work. Even the Colgate with the charcoal works. But just make sure you check your app, because this is a Target Circle offer, guys. So pick up one of those. We have a $4 Target Circle, and it is a store coupon. So that'll bring you to 99 cents. And then you can go onto the Colgate website, and you can print a 75% off coupon to work with this, since it's a store coupon, guys, and it makes it just 24 cents. So I know we typically don't pay for toothpaste. However, this is not too shabby of a deal, especially for Target, guys. So go ahead and pick it up. All right, y'all.
Okay, guys, this is part of that buy 4 get a $5 Target gift card deal.
Yes.
Okay, so you're gonna buy 2 of the Dove's Men Plus Care. What is that, body wash, Cindy?
Yeah, these are body washes, guys.
Okay.
So
$6.99 each. And 2 of the Dove Therapy. What is that, Cindy?
The hair therapy. So one's a shampoo, one's conditioner, guys.
Okay. That's going to be $27.96. We're going to use 2 of the $2 off of 1 on the Dove from Unilever 6 sticks. We're going to scan for the $3 Target Circle. All right, y'all. You're going to pay $20.96. Get your $5 gift card, okay? You're going to submit for 1 $3 Dove coupon from the coupons.com app. Then 2 of the Dove Ibotta rebates from Ibotta. Then a $2.50 Dove Men's Plus Care times 2 from Ibotta. Final price is $3.96 or 99 cents each.
Which is
this
great.
is a fantastic deal.
Yeah. So hopefully you guys have all those coupons. Just check your Target Circle, clip all your stuff. But this is a good deal.
Yeah, make sure you print this list off and take it with you. Okay? Make sure you understand what's up.
Facts.
All right,
y'all. You can go.
Y'all, we back and we excited about this. So let me tell you, I'm extra excited. This is one of my favorite products to use, okay? So it's the Palmolive Spray Away. This is a 16.9 ounce thing, $3.99. Look for these hang tags, guys. We found them. That makes it $2.99. Then submit to Ibotta for a $2 rebate. And then some accounts may have a 10-cent any dish soap, so as low as 89 cents. Y'all don't understand how much I love this. Let me tell you, all I do is put my dishes in there, spray it on there, let it sit, y'all, and just go back and wash it. Everything fall off.
Spray away.
I love this.
I gotta use this tonight then.
Fantastic deal. Y'all pick it up.
Pick it up. Listen, y'all. My mouth is dry. It's just one of them dry mouth days. But listen, we got a deal. So select detergents are buy 3, and select items, P&G items, things like that, are buy 3 get a $10 gift card. I really like when they do this promotion and we have P&G coupons that are valid. So you're gonna pick up one of the Tide Pods for $11.99, guys, and it does need to be the 32 count plus, so you can use the $3 coupon, okay? And that's gonna be in the P&G. All the coupons are in the P&G. Pick up one of the Downy Defy beads at $9.99, and pick up one of the large Tides for $11.99, so that's gonna be $33.97. We have 10% off on the Tide Liquid and the Tide Pods. These are both separate Target Circle offers, so make sure you click both. And then you're going to use, like I said, $3 back on each, or off each.
P&G.
All in the P&G, guys.
Each one,
And they're also available on the pngrewards.com, but when you print them online, guys, if you do not get the P&Gs in your area, you have to use them the same day, I think, or 24 hours.
Days,
or something like that. I think they changed it. So you'll end up paying $23.27. You'll get back the $10 gift card, making the final price $13.27 for all 3 items, or $4.42 each.
Fantastic.
Which is really, really good, guys. Fantastic deal. All right, y'all, pick it up. Go on, go.
Okay, y'all, we looking for these giant bags, not
Yep.
these babies. But
This
they say
big
we don't carry them
We
at
ain't
our
got it.
store. So you're looking for the 13-pound of the YALL Mix Tasty Layers. They're $14.99 each. Buy 2. That makes them $29.98. There's a 30% Target Circle, so you'll pay $24.48. You're gonna get back $5 from Target gift cards.
Yeah.
You get back $6 in Ibotta rebates plus a 50-cent bonus, making the final cost just $10.98 for 2 or $5.49 each. This is fantastic.
Yeah.
Just remember, you look for the big old 13 count like this.
Yeah.
Saying Tasty Layers.
Yeah. Oh, Tasty Layers.
All right,
Pick it up. Okay, guys, so here's the next deal. This is on the Lunchables. You're looking for just the regular ones, priced at $2.49. They're not on sale, but we have a really awesome Shop Kick offer for 370 scans plus kicks, guys, which is $1.48. And it makes these Lunchables just $1.01, which is a fantastic deal for Lunchables. Y'all know Tamika buys Lunchables when they on sale. So we're going to go ahead and pick these up, guys. And they scan, so perfect match. All right, y'all, pick it up.
All right, guys, we got a little True Lemon for you. This is the 10 count, guys. Now, scan them in store to make sure whatever ones you might want. They're $1.89. We get 50 cents back on the bottom. Makes them $1.39. Not
Easy
too bad
peasy.
for some drink mix, y'all.
No, not too shabby.
All right.
Okay, guys, this is our next deal. It's on the Pierre. This is the Energize. It's on sale for $4.99, guys. So you need to pick up one of them. We have a $2 coupon that's no longer available, guys. And we also have a $2 Ibotta rebate and 20% off, making it completely free. So hopefully y'all printed them $2 off coupons. A fantastic deal. All right, y'all, pick it up.
All right, y'all, we got you some hot nuts. Got this cayenne pepper or this ghost pepper. This is that Blue Almond Extreme. They're $3.69. We have a $1.50 Target Circle. And check your fetch account for $1 back.
Yep.
Making the final cost just $1.19. I ain't tried mine yet, so I have no idea.
Yeah, we don't know what they
So
taste
go ahead
like.
and let me know how it be.
Yep.
All right, now.
Pick them up. Okay, look, guys. So you are looking for a smaller size. Let's go ahead and tell y'all that. You're looking for the one priced at $2.99, but we cannot find them in our store, even though they say they're in stock. Y'all, we tied. So look for the one that's $2.99, guys. We have a $1.50 Target Circle and 60 cents back on Fetch. Now, yours could be higher or lower, but we both have 60 cents.
There you go.
It'll end up making it 89 cents. And if your store don't have it, this one's $4.99. You do the same exact thing,
It's going to be a whole lot
and
more.
it's going to be a whole lot more. Or you can toss it into your spend the gift card deal, but we didn't do the breakdown for that. You would have to adjust your math. So that's another option, but pick it up, guys. It's a good deal, and I'll pop up a picture so you guys can see what the $2.99 one looks like. All right,
Okay, guys, we are out. Y'all, this was fantastical. The mask worked. They was only 59 cents.
A piece.
Yeah.
Great. I'm so
fantastic.
excited about the avocado.
Yeah, I might go avocado myself tonight.
What I was about to say?
Oh.
My Colgate coupon worked fine. You know, we're super new to Target, and Tamika had told me that if it's a store coupon, it'll work with the manufacturer. But I didn't know how to tell the difference. Saving with Sarah explained that on her
thank you,
video.
Saving
So
Sarah.
thank you for saving. Yes, because that was so great for me to know. But we just tried it. It worked perfectly fine, y'all. So 24 cents on that. All my gift cards came off. It was a great transaction. So I'm excited. I hope y'all can get some of these good old deals.
Don't forget to go back and comment on that Walmart video if you want to be in the giveaway for Thursday.
Yes.
All right, guys. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe.
Do that.
Thank you so much for watching. Y'all have a great day. Bye.